Alright, I got this oil cash can from Mishimoto. This thing is huge. Alright, now I picked this one. This one does not come. It's for a different model, but this bracket is not specifically for my car. So I bought this. I know I messed up on the hose. That should do it though. This bracket to mount this one here, right? And then this one goes on the car like that, holding the oil catch can. So, but the reason I picked this one, I knew it wasn't gonna fit, was because it has the dipsticks on the side. So I don't have to constantly be checking it. I can just simply look here and that's it. And here's a drain hole. So let's get to the install. All right, now what you're gonna do is already remove the bolt, this little bolt right here. This one, you're gonna remove that because that's where the bracket goes. And then you're gonna remove this one here with some clamps, and this one right here. That one. Right, those two. I just gotta remove my JB4 from here. This one is the one that we're taking off. Alright, now I got it removed, right? It was this one right here, right there, and the one that goes right here. So it was that, it looks like that right there. I did remove this sensor to get it get a better look at it. It goes right there, but you don't have to do it. It's just me. So this one right here, right there, and it goes right there. Just take it off. All right, there she is. You can see, huge oil catch can. So you got the meter stick. All right, the one in the back goes here. This one goes here. That's it. Beauty.